In the 13th video of Accounting for Partnership Firm Fundamental, we are going to discuss past adjustments after closing the books. And in that, today we are going to take few practice questions. In the previous one, we discussed the working notes and the method of solving such questions. Now see, this is one illustration. Okay. Now to see how many partners are there. There are two partners, A and B, and their profit sharing ratio is 2:1. The profit for the year was 60,000, which was wrongly distributed equally. Instead of distributing in the ratio of 2:1, they distributed equally. So what we are going to do? First, we will take back the wrongly distributed profits in the wrong ratio. Okay, like 60,000 was distributed equally. So when it was distributed equally, it was credited. Okay, when we distribute it, we record it on the credit side, but to rectify that error, now we will debit the partner's capital account. So A and B, in the working notes in the analytical table, we will debit the partners. Okay, and because of that the firm will be credited. Now see, there is no other omission or error. So whatever mistake was there, now we have to correct that. That is, this 60,000 now will be distributed in the ratio of 2:1. So when we divide 60,000 in the ratio of 2:1, it will be 40,000 and 20,000. Now we have to give it to the partners, so we will be crediting them. Okay, we are crediting the partners capital account. Now you find the net difference. See, the debit side total is 30,000 and the credit side total in case of A it's 40,000. So A's credit side exceeds by rupees 10,000. That means we will credit him in the adjustment entry. In the same manner, compare B's capital. B's credit side is 30,000 and the debit side is 30,000 and credit side is 20,000. So the debit side exceeds by 10,000. So we will debit B's capital. Okay. B will be debited by 10,000 and A will be credited by 10,000. See the adjustment entry. B is debited by, oh, that's a mistake. See, B's capital account is debited by 10,000 rupees and A's capital account is credited by 10,000 rupees. Okay, here no, again go through the working. See, A's capital, when we were recording it in the working notes, the credit side was exceeding by 10,000 rupees, and in case of B, the debit side exceeds by 10,000 rupees. So in the adjustment entry, B's capital account debit to A's capital account 10,000 rupees. Now let's take one more question. There are two partners. There can be 3, 4, 5 partners also. Okay, but here to represent in this PPT, taking two partners is comfortable, because then we can use bigger fonts. Otherwise I have to use very small fonts. Okay, so A and B, there are two partners, 3:1. Their capitals are 40,000 and 30,000. Now see, it is fluctuating capital. Okay, they have not used the term fixed capital. Following omissions were noticed. So the first omission was interest on capital at the rate of 6% was not allowed. Then A was allowed a salary of 2,000 rupees per month. That means in the full year it was 24,000 rupees. And the profits rupees 60,000 was distributed equally. Now this was also wrong. Profits were to be distributed in the ratio of 3:1. Instead of that, it was distributed as 1:1 equally. Okay, so make the correction. Now in the working note, see, on 40,000 at the rate of 6%, it is 2,400 rupees. Okay, and in case of B, it is 1,800 rupees. Clear? So the total capital is 4200, which was omitted. In case of A, salary of rupees 24,000 was not allowed, so it will be credited to his capital. The wrong profit distributed will be taken back. Okay, so 60,000 equally is 30,000 and 30,000. See, it has been debited. Okay, take it back. We are debiting. Earlier when it was allowed, it was credited, so now it will be debited. Okay, now see, find the balancing figure. 60,000 minus 24,000 and 4,200 is 31,800. This 31,800 will be distributed among the partners in the ratio of 3:1, which is coming to 23,850 and 7,950. Okay, now find out the net difference. A's debit side total is 30,000 and A's credit side is 50,250. That means A's credit side exceeds by 20,250. In the same manner, compare B's debit side and credit side, and B's debit side is exceeding by 20,250. So in the adjustment entry, we will credit A's capital and debit B's capital. Okay, so B's capital account debit 20,250 and A's capital will be credited by 20,250. Okay.